Hi, I'm Tim Roble, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Athlete. Today is physical build day 34, and what I got done is I cut off the front cabover. If you watched yesterday's video, and I shortened it up, I went ahead and went with 4 inches. I kind of like the look even a little better, and got that tied in. I figured out that this bar right here needs to go in place for separation of 2 panels. We have kind of a weird transition that comes in here in the front, so I'm going to have to divide an upper and a lower panel, but that shouldn't be a big deal. I figured that I wanted to frame in where the MaxAir fan is going to go, instead of kind of having it sitting out in the middle of aluminum flopping around. So I got that framed out. That's where that one's going to go. I think that's a good position over the bed, kind of to pull air across your body. And then I framed out the rear panel above where the cooking's going to go. So I think that's going to work out real well to suck out the exhaust when you have to cook inside or you choose to cook inside. That'll be pretty good. But that's it for today. First thing in the morning, I'll be out here again early. I'll run a grinder over the external welds and the upper welds. And I'm going to get the 3M sticky tape put down in place. And place this first panel here in the back. That's it's a 50 thousandths 6061 T6 panel, something I had left over from other project, and I'm choosing to put that one in that place because if I do happen to need to walk on the roof, I think it's going to give me a little bit more structure to do that. But not really setting this up to walk on the roof anyway. But if you do need to get up there and service or clean solar panels, you want to be able to access that a little bit better. So that's what I'm doing with that. So I'll do this back panel first, and then this first, the front panel will come and overlap over it, also with that 3M sticky tape. And then being who I am, I call that maybe a chemical bond, and I'll do a mechanical bond. I'll shoot some screws through it once I get the trim pieces in place. But we're making progress. I'm feeling really stoked. I'm seeing that light at the end of the tunnel. Once again, I appreciate each and every one of your comments. They really do help out, and sometimes they cause me to do a little bit more thinking about my process. So I do thank you for that. And sometimes I don't always get it right, as you see, but I thought I would show that on video and show you that I just take the time to cut things off and make them right. When I'm sitting in the campsite looking back at the truck, I want to look at it and know that everything that I did was the best of my ability. And if something wasn't exactly right, I wanted to go ahead and clean that up and make sure that everything tied in and is as best that it can be. So I feel real positive about this build right now, and I'm just going to keep motoring on. So that's going to be it for today. I'm Tim Roble. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you here next time.